to see that it does not affect. I will give one example which I am deeply pained. This Nilakani of Infosys was invited for the last GST council meeting. The hardware that was required was about to come from China, and he had we installed that by blocking the other, because it is a e-filing system with more than 1 crore transaction, would not have happened. I was waiting happily that it will happen in a month's time. Now we are 2 months backward. We still told him, see, this is going to become bigger. Still try to get it. So he's still trying his best. So like this, even what is our utmost necessary thing to get money to match the invoices, prevent cheating, we wanted it as soon as possible now. But it's not in our hand. So we are trying our best. Similarly, I know what you are saying. Our Zuari bridge is affected because those cables were supposed to come from China, then some technical people also were supposed to come. So like this, several things will get affected. Your great separator also was almost complete, but the final things were to be okayed. But life is important. If you are not living, for whom you are going to give the great separator and the bridge? It's like that.